5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The master demands your doom!
Melee spread out.
The might of sea and sky must aid our champions, Golganet.
Okay,
Buffs are
well,
gonna
this
be
is gonna be
reversed.
annoying.
Buff's just gonna be kind of reversed.
You can get the buff now. Count.
Sides after.
Side.
Melees get ready to spread. Cone. Second potions, this one is the shit one. Cone coming up. Get ready to spread out. Spread out now. Cone coming up. This one we bait on the bear.
Let the fury of the sea wash away this
Made it.
corruption.
Get ready to spread out.
Agramar, lend these mortals your strength, brother.
Spread out now. First set goes out with the tank.
Something.
Melee. Next one's with the tank and we use defensives on them. Spread out.
Haunting.
These ones in melee.
Got him.
Well,
Are we chilling?
When we get the boss at like 42%, everyone just
Haunting.
stop.
Stop now.
Yeah, stop a bit.
I wasn't here last time. Why are we stopping now?
So we get bloodlust
Haunting.
properly in the last phase because we need it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I think we're good now.
Yeah, we're
You
good
don't
now.
ask questions here.
Spread out and then kid just push it and stack.
Stack.
We're good.
How dare you have an opinion and question things?
Time answers to me.
Astri, you were with the jokes again, or?
Yeah.
Binds your relentless
Am I still taking that those orbs there?
Yep.
The fuck?
Give us a joke, please.
Got a really
DPS.
good one.
Yeah, please, Google one.
Fuck.
Banana, what the fuck is that?
That's his
He
joke.
failed.
I left
He's in
combat.
Skada, that's why.
I'm supposed to link
Press the
Shadow,
link,
Shadow
being
being
top.
top.
Release
Releasing
in
soon.
5. Do not interrupt the boss. Rune up and potion. Let's go.
Off the shot by the tree. Wow, there's a lot of them.
You
Thanks.
seriously?
Rune
Oh,
up.
come on. Who brought this?
Take your fucking time, please.
Like, if you can't enter, don't enter. It's not that difficult of a concept.
We have the Warlock portal. On them. In between, and then get ready to spread out. And spread out now. Back to bait the module. Kill the module now.
Die on next.
The first set of chains we break instantly.
Watch out, Smack. There's one coming directly
Yeah,
for
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Break the chains. Module will be coming up. Place baited close to the death fog. Module in 4 seconds. Everyone close to the death fog.
I'm gonna die next.
After this, we spread out. And then get ready to die.
Spread.
Spread out. Stack up and die now. We are
Please.
going to release in 3, 2, 1, go.
Mind the orbs.
Bait the module.
Anchor not.
Totem.
Anktasm, yeah. I'm dying on next.
Edges coming up.
My time.
Yep.
If there's
Uh,
Get that
something.
shitty corner
Rune
again.
up,
Don't
pots.
try and cheat it.
Yeah.
Just take something safe.
Rune up. Laura, get ready to bop Vern. Bop Vern up.
On.
Beyond them. In between.
I'm dying
and then
next.
get ready to
You
spread
don't
out.
tell them then.
Yeah, give me Ink Totem now.
Spread out.
Potions.
Go and bait. Break the chains now. Both chains break them now.
Survive this,
Move him,
defensives,
move him.
headstones.
Yeah. That's... Iron rock, please.
I take the ones closely.
Orbs from the back.
I might die on next, so just beware. Yep. Rest me, please.
Combat Resm.
Spread
Nice.
out soon.
Get ready to spread out.
You
Spread out now.
joined your channel.
And then back to bait the module. Bait it.
I will break fast.
Move him.
Yeah.
Breaking now.
Do not break the second chain until we call for it. Kill the module fast.
Focus the module. Max.
I might die in this one.
He's healthy. Break next chain.
I'm gonna
Get
die
pressing
next
up.
one then.
Yep.
I'm not dead yet. I'm gonna
Running
die
back.
Okay,
next
bro.
though.
Insta
Well,
west,
if,
no?
If an extra
Which is
res,
off.
Rest me.
Raise him up.
we can have one extra
Keep
res
his
now.
potions.
We have a spare rest.
Get me, get me, get me.
Get Karma Boy up. Get Karma Boy up if you can. If not, get me up.
Use your DPS potions and everything.
Good job, lazy. Or not. No, I think
Go.
I'm way too the rest.
Be ready to spread.
Lots
Be
for
ready
me,
to
someone
spread.
lots for me. Someone
Spread
lots
out.
Spread out now.
Hope drums is good enough.
for me. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, do not touch the orb. Do not break the chains. Just focus the boss.
Letting boss him, fuck. Letting boss say.
Come on,
I think
boys.
it's fucking
Kill
dead.
him!
Did
We
got it.
Don't kill the module. Don't kill the
Got
module.
him.
Do not
Come
kill the
on.
module.
Guys!
Kill the
Got
mother.
Kill the
Oh,
module.
thank God. Groscal, please tell everyone what I said yesterday.
Literally what Vern said as well.
Oh my God,
I
you
said
have
to
say.
him, we're gonna do our alt mythic boss after we kill Argus in
What?
one
I
try.
don't
Unfortunately, that was not one try.